It's solve math, love math. Solve math, love math. Solve math, love math. Solve math, love math. Hello, wonderful fans of Jokan. I welcome you all to Solve Math. My name is George Campbell, popularly known as Jokan. Yes, and today is another edition of our topic converting or changing fractions into percentages. As I always say, if you've not watched our subsequent or previous editions, I'll urge you to visit our various platforms. That is Jokan Educational Channel on Facebook, Jokan Educational Channel on YouTube, Jokan TV as well. We have Solve Math on Facebook and also Kids Zone on Facebook. And indeed, you will be happy with that. Yes, let's move to the board. In our subsequent editions, this is what we were saying. We're saying that in order to convert fractions into percentages, just multiply that particular fraction with 100%. So let's move to the board and tackle some questions. Good. Rules are important. So what are we told to do here? To convert the following fractions into what? Into percentages. Good. Pay critical attention here. Fantastic. 7/4. So we just do what? Multiply it with 100%. So bring your equal to sign. It's very important. 7/4 times 100%. And remember, I told you any number at all is the same as over 1. 4 is the same as 4/1. 5 is the same as 5/1. So with here, in order to make our work easy, the 100%, let's do it over 1. It doesn't change anything. So 100% over 1. Good. It will just help us when we are doing our multiplication. Fantastic. As I said earlier on too, cancellations can be done vertically and it can also be done diagonally. But it can't be done horizontally. I hope you are clear with that. Fantastic. So with here, let's look here. We can do a diagonal cancellation here, right? 4 will go into 100. How many times? 4 times 4 will give you 100. It's 4 times 25. I'm trying to see. So 4 will go into this. 25 4 goes into 125 times. And 4 will go into it once. Good. Math is step by step. Now let's come down. So we have equal to, we have what? 7 here. Over, it's no longer 4 here because we've cancelled. So it's what? 1 times, here it's no longer 100%, but what? 25%. Over, don't forget your 1 over 1. Good. Now, let's see whether we can cancel again diagonally or vertically. No, we can't do any more cancellation. So simply put, this time, you just multiply what? Your digits, your numbers horizontally. Good. So 7 times 25. If you don't know, please, let's solve it. Okay? You solve math. We don't guess math. So 25 times 7. And always take notes. When you multiply 2 digits with 1 digit, the 2 digits has to be on top. The more digits are on top. Fantastic. 7 times 5 will give us what? 7 5 is 35. You write 5, remainder 3 here, right? 7 1 7. 7 2 is 14 plus 3. 15, 16, 17. So 1 7. Voila. You write it over there. What it means is that 7 times 25 will give us 175. Good. So we write it 175. Don't forget your percentage sign. It's so essential. It's so important. And here we have 1 times 1, which is what? Equal over what? 1. Fantastic. I believe you got that, right? Good. Now, as I did say earlier, any number over 1 is the same as that number, right? Good. So 175% is the same as 175%. Easy as A, B, C, D. What does it mean? What it means is that if you convert 7/4 into percentages, the results will be 175%. Good. Voila. It's easy as A, B, C, D, right? Good. Now, let's move to Fantastic. I'll go on a break. When we resume, you join me for question